Alright, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to pick up some calculus here. This is going to be another integration practice video. This is going to be example number 34 of the integration practice series. Alright, so we got a definite integral here. We're asked to evaluate the definite integral from 1 to 4. We got 6 raised to the negative square root of x all over the square root of x dx. So I think the best thing to do here would be to just do a u substitution. Here we'll want to pick u to be negative square root of x. We'll differentiate it using the chain rule. That'll give us negative 1 over 2 multiplied by the square root of x. Don't forget to multiply by dx. And if we solve for the dx part, we'll have negative 2 times the square root of x du is equal to dx. Negative 2 is a constant, so I'm going to bring it out front. Remember, we have to change the limits of integration since we're doing a u substitution. And so we'll just have 6 raised to the u du on the inside. Alright, we can change the limits right quick. So remember, u was negative square root of x. So that's just going to be negative square root of 1, which is negative 1. And then we'll have negative square root of 4, which is negative 2. We'll attach our limits here and continue with the integral. So what's the antiderivative of 6 raised to the u du? So this is another one of these general base integrals. Remember, if I have the integral of b raised to the x dx, that's just going to be b raised to the x all over ln of b plus c. That is provided, of course, that b is greater than 0, and we know that b cannot equal positive 1 because ln of 1 is 0, so we get division by 0, which is undefined. So keep in mind the restrictions. So if we follow the formula, so the negative 2 is just a constant. So this will give us 6 raised to the u all over ln of 6. And this is going to be evaluated from negative 1 to negative 2. We apply the fundamental theorem of calculus by sticking in the negative 2. That'll give me 1 over 36 all over ln of 6. And we'll subtract that from, we stick in the 1, or stick in the negative 1. I'll write that as positive 1 over 6. And again, we'll have ln of 6 in our denominator. So now we got negative 2 multiplied by 1 over 36 minus 1 over 6 all over ln of 6. So we get our calculator and we subtract, so we get 1 over 36, we'll subtract that from 1 over 6. We get negative 5 over 36. So we'll have negative 2, and then we'll have negative 5 over 36 all over ln of 6. And then we simplify it. So we know we're going to get a positive value. So we got negative 2 times negative 5 over 36, which gives me positive 5 over 18. So for the final answer, we'll go ahead and write it. So we're asked to integrate from 1 to 4. We're asked to integrate 6 raised to the negative square root of x all over the square root of x dx. So our answer here is just going to be 5 over 18 multiplied by ln of 6. And that will be our answer. Alright, so we've worked a couple of these before, so hopefully this one wasn't too bad. But of course you can ask questions at any time. But that's going to be your solution. Alright, y'all take care. I'll see y'all next time.